Today I'm going to show you how to fix if you lost or your remote control is broken for your Roku. I got you covered. There, my one is a Polaroid and this is a GVC Roku remote control. And watch what happens if you're struggling. This will work on any Roku, and watch this. As you can see, the GVC has turned on the Roku. For example, if I want to head on to like YouTube, it will automatically open YouTube. And if this really helps, guys, leave a comment below if you want me to see if I can fix it anymore. It's a Polaroid, and that's how you fix a TV remote control's not working. Roku, and mine is a Polaroid, like I said, and this is a GVC. Bye, guys.